Oh, my little boy, back from the dead. America. What a place.
Your best work yet, honey. No doubt about it.
You think this is my best? Really?
Well, you know, next to that bug thing. You know, the one with the shovels. Hogarth! Come on, honey. Time to go.
See you later, guys. See you later, Hogarth.
Oh, hey, Hogarth. The general sent this to you.
What is it?
He said it was the only part recovered. He thought you should have it.
I miss him.
I promise I'll never shoot you with a laser.
I promise I'll never laser you either. Whoa!
See you later.
Well, I guess that wraps a neat little bow around everything.
Okay, that'll be $3.95.
Sorry, how much?
$3.95?
Okay, here you go. Can you just throw the food up here? We're in kind of a hurry.